Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Shantani and you are watching DIY already. Christmas is knocking on the door. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some more Christmas DIYs for you and also show you how I decorated my dining table. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, then please take a minute to subscribe to my channel. Hope you really enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to hit that like button before your way out, and also comment below and let me know if you want to try any of them this year and which one is your favorite. Okie dokie, further wasting any more time, let's start. For my first DIY, I made a centerpiece for the dining table. I ordered some transparent water beads online and soaked them in water overnight. I also ordered 3 submerged lights online. They change color and comes with individual remotes. They are waterproof anyway, but I just wrapped it with plastic for extra protection. I grabbed a clear glass vase, which I already had, and placed the light in the bottom. To make sure it stays underwater, I'm gonna take some clear marbles and keep around and on top of it. Once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna go ahead and place the water beads inside. Before filling it up, I'm gonna place few things inside. I bought this ornament from Dollar Tree and today I'm gonna use one of them for this project. These snowflake ornaments are also from Dollar Tree. Again, I'm just gonna use one here. I'm going to fill up with water when I'm done. It is looking so pretty already. All I have to do is to decorate with some flowers and Christmas ornaments. Even my 10-month-old is in love with it. For the second DIY, I grabbed a pine cone from garden and applied glue on top of it. I'm gonna mimic the look of real snowfall, so I'm applying only on top. Now I'm covering the glue with some glitters. This glitter is from Walmart and I chose the one with bigger grains. To make a small gift box, I am folding a small piece of cardboard like a box. If you have a small box at home, you can use that too. I didn't have it, so I had to make it. Now I'm gonna wrap it with this gorgeous weird ribbon, which I bought, yeah, you guessed it right, from Dollar Tree. I took a toy car and glued the box on the rooftop. I am cutting out some wired edge from the ribbon so that I can make a bow. I'm also adding a pearl in the middle. To make the road, I took a round piece of paper, glued a small tree. I'm gonna decorate the tree the same way I did with the pine cone. Now I'm placing them inside a container all together. To cover up the paper, I'm using this faux snow from Dollar Tree. For the final touch, I'm placing a fairy light inside, and that's it. My kids love this display and it really looks magical. This third DIY is the easiest one. I took a few dry branches from the garden and hung them on the dining table. I didn't want something too high on the dining table, so I thought this is the best alternative. Once I balanced the branches properly, I started decorating some Christmas ornaments and also with some crystal garlands. Came out really pretty and unique. I made this lantern for my food DIY, and this one is also pretty easy. Just in case you missed my previous Diwali video, I'm quickly showing you here. I took 6 photo frames and took the backing out, then made a house-like structure with roof. I used hot glue for the DIY project. If you want it to last longer, then you should use a heavy-duty one. Now I'm just gonna take it out and spray some black paint. After it is dry, I'm gonna decorate it with some LED candles and also some fresh pine leaves from my garden. To decorate the roof, I tied this red ribbon. This is actually from the shirt my husband wanted to throw. I have been using this shirt for so many projects this year. This is crazy. The silverware ribbon is from Dollar Tree. Then I attached few red and silver ornaments with it. Everything is tied up together with a wire. This project was so easy and it turned out so pretty and elegant. Now I'm going to show you how I decorated our dining table for Christmas. So the ornaments I bought from Dollar Tree, I'm going to attach them with napkin holders. After it is all done, the napkin holders are looking very Christmassy, if that's a thing. I cleaned up my silver tray and it looks gorgeous. I used it as the part of the centerpiece. I'm going to use these glasses, these silver bordered plates, and these paper mats to decorate the table. This year the theme color for our table is silver, blue and white. So I placed the blue plate first and then the silver white plate. For cutlery, I just used the silver set I already had. To give some more winter look, I placed a faux flower on the bench. I accidentally deleted the video where I showed how I made this wreath. This wreath is completely handmade. I took a normal wire and made a ring, then wrapped it with a net and fur ribbon. After that, I took a wired ribbon and wrapped it randomly. Then attached a few silver ornaments here and there and this beautiful decorative piece. All of them are from Walmart. Finally wrapped the whole wreath with some fairy light. Are you gonna try any of these this year? If yes, please comment below which one and please let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you liked this last minute tutorial and please take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family because Christmas is almost here. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas with your friends and families. Happy holiday guys. Thank you. Bye. It's getting colder outside.